Hey, what up, guys? Today comedy episode is blast. Honestly, it's blast. Go grab a popcorn and kindly sit and cross your leg because the comedy video you're about to watch is a very hilarious one. I said it's a very, very hilarious one. All right, guys, come over. Let's go there.
Oh, doctor, who is she? Is she okay?
Miss
Remy.
Miss Remy.
Yes.
Relax.
Okay.
Take a drink.
Don't take that drink. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming, guys.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah. Okay, where's my sister? Is she okay?
You're taking drink. You don't
Doctor,
know
where's my
how-
sister? Is she okay, doctor?
We have a good news and we have a bad news. I don't know the one you want to hear first.
Okay, give me the bad news first.
We lost her.
What? This is not what you promised me. This is not what you promised me. I thought that she's going to be fine.
Looking
I
at
thought
her.
that she's going to be fine. What would I do now? You don't understand.
Talk
I
now,
don't have money
doctor.
to do this very. I spent all my money in this, my sister. Oh God.
That's why there's a good news. That drink when you drink, I don't poison you. If you don't say no get money, bury your sister. Now I say to go die. No one bury anybody.
Hey,
I
doctor.
don't want peace.
For this thing you did to me and my sister, you will never eat your cake and have it.
Can someone eat the cake and have it before? You are trying to eat my cake and have it. And I like my cake. That guy is a crazy man as well. Let's see this one from Moss, the crazy gaddy.
This man.
Thief, unwise criminal. So you virtually land yourself into a very big trouble. You know, I love you. Ah.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Okay. Yes, please.
Leave on. The moment on the side, the share fence the police headquarters.
Dissolve!
Hey, this is a police headquarters.
Share I tell you, single return my television.
Come on, go back.
Oh God, I said I don't want to laugh today because these guys are making me laugh out
I
loud.
love you, and I'm beginning to have that.
You don't have to have that. I love you, and I will stand by you in any situation. I swear, I will never
Now you
leave
will
you.
go trust woman.
Yes.
Very good.
I love you so much.
Babe,
What happened?
somebody just grabbed my ass.
Let's grab my babas.
Yes.
For here.
Follow me.
Calm down. You that girl, woman. You the Chris. I be one make I slice on it.
Hey!
Come go show me the place.
How's it going?
Babe, look at the person that grabbed my ass.
Now you get mad, grab my baby.
How do you looking
What
at the
happened?
door?
What happened?
Oh,
You dey ask
wonder.
me, eh? What happened? They happen.
Breaking news. Information just getting to us now that a man whose name is Mr. YG Brown has been arrested and sentenced to death by hanging for killing his fellow civilian.
You see, babe, YG would have been dead by now.
So just move on now. You can't remain single forever. I'll look for someone else, I beg.
Even James, my ex-boyfriend, he's asking me back. I think I'll just go back to him.
I beg, go back home.
You see, guys,
What is it?
Breaking news. I'm very sorry, something just came in. Mr. YG Brown, that was supposed to be executed, has just escaped the execution ground.
Babe, we have to leave here now.
Jesus.
James, you have to leave here now. What are you doing?
We hope that Jesus.
Man, say how you want to go back.
Like zombie. I'm already buying.
Steve,
Wetin dey happen that
oh
don
bro,
take
I swear to
advice?
God, this period I no get money. I just broke. You wey be say if you see small money now, you don't go lodge. Now you dey talk about missing money. If God fit just give me money like this, you no go see me near hotel. You no fit see me near lodge. So you go dey talk.
Shut up. People like you that don't take am when you see money, you like. 200K now. The money has not even landed. Hello?
I'm hungry. Is it possible we see today?
Yes, now, sure.
Sure.
For that hotel we stay.
Alright.
I shall.
I'll be waiting.
Let me meet you.
Nigeria, they see you.
This guy blocked me.
You're not going anywhere. I'll head you on phone. Excuse me.
Are you a
You're not going anywhere. Excuse me now.
Money has landed.
Maybe they complain say you no get money now. Small time money don't enter account now. I won't go carry woman. When last you send your mama money, you get small ones for house. You don't fit do anything for them. No only nyash now for your hand. Look at your life. You cannot do anything for yourself. Now squat you dey squat. And everything you come Lagos come do. Think am now. Nothing they worry you. I'm just tired of you. I don't like this. You in fact.
Is this for real? Since you don't want me to go and knock after don't worry, I will do my best. Let's do this village soccer. The keeper should be on his goal post. He should be at his goal post. And forget this guy that is jumpy, so that you concentrate. You need it to be there after he has done all the madness. You come and look at what you have done. Come, look at this guy's okay. Even fair the first place. What a smart move there. Let's see his own move there.
Joy giver. I'm a joy giver. In the same time.
That's all.
Jamu. So you carry go. Jamu. Now just one new toy I acquire just to make I dey use and the guy. I be just use and the practice.
That's all come. How much did you get today?
Jamu na 5K dollars.
Come here, I'll make a
76 44 22 711.
cents.
Hello, David. May you and your men come up for my Jamu compound.
Jesus!
No worry, we don't settle. May everybody disembark. Hey, Jamu.
You come here for because of 5K dollars.
Jamu, you say not just. Jamu, look at me. That one is sniper. Looking for giving a headshot. Now 1K does now tell that man say you. Now you carry this come out.
I didn't even
Should I take the shot?
No. Don't take the shot, though. I don't take my money.
all those why the guy was like, oh,
You don't want to see your bride until after you wedding.
I miss my wife. I want to go and check on her. I miss my wife.
This guy.
Where's my wife, CB?
Oh, she went downstairs for her makeup.
Oh, okay.
Can anyone resist? Can anyone resist?
You know I've always had eyes on you. So don't you like what you see?
Each and every lady wanna give me
I'm sorry, but I'm getting married today.
You never see her, but don't you like to have all this before you get married?
Can anyone resist?
Stop. I'm sorry, I'm getting married. I cannot cheat on my wife. I'm sorry, I cannot. Please stop.
Now tonight truly going to like.
Lagos man.
No man has
Are you
ever
sure you're not
rejected me
going to
before.
do this?
This is 1 out of 30 million men in Lagos. Marry him now.
Of course I will.
Look at the girl, Yes, be careful of your friends. And some of you out there, their friends are not taking their friends.
Do you know that Barcelona is the official sponsor for 1xBet, and together they created something called the Blaugrana Crew promo. You stand a chance to win cool prizes. All you have to do is what? Go to 1xBet and register my promo code Nasty to stand a chance to get up to 30% bonus on your first deposit. Number 2,
So Nastyblaq actually left as if he's not ready. He was not ready for that, but not knowing that he went to go and save and get his bulletproof on. That was actually hilarious from Nastyblaq, and I think you guys really enjoying it. Let's see this one from MC Lion.
Oh, are you the artwork guy?
I'm the artwork guy.
And where's the artwork?
Boss, no artwork, but I no go lie for you, the artist.
But you send me picture online. Where is the artwork?
I swear to God, I send you picture online, but now which I use come with that. If I tell you say I'm the artist, no go let me come.
Very, 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 very stupid.
Really, nigga?
What be this? Now leave my leg now.
Help me.
What you make I do for you?
Just give me 1 minute to prove myself again.
Well, let me know what you got. I dey follow your babe, no be for Instagram. She stay my bed for like they lift her down. Pass service Instagram. 100K for your babe, she will dey pull her pants. Now which person make they pull her pants?
Me.
That's it, the dress.
Help me.
You better not say you want to knock your girl babe.
I don't find Play Store, I know see.
Okay, make I go Apple Store. Then download that from Apple Store. I did the Apple Store now. How many apple I buy? I don't know they sell apple now. What's that the type?
This one you come from village, yo.
Okay.
I will go back to Android.
Oh my God!
Listen. No, that Gabon Aza. I'm going to talk about that later.
See, Pablo, you get on work what I won't give you now. You know, sir, they fear to give you work nowadays. Hey! Pablo, come now, calm down. Pablo.
How many does one drop?
You are ready to talk to me.
You don't want to do the business, Steve, and make I know what I do.
Won't work.
Go say that you quit as a still active. Because now my senior man won't drop money.
Okay.
Send that your answer.
For that your number, Abi?
Yeah.
I don't understand the details.
No while and I go to tell I'm making the checking phone. I seen the checking phone. If any other business enter me and you go know how.
Hey! I don't have time for long talk. I don't have time for long talk. We just have to start doing this business. That is all about funny bros. Doesn't have time for talk.
Hello, Pablo.
Hello?
Yeah, confirm the money send on drop.
Believe. The bank where the money drop don't food. Like this, no be only your money that they talk about.
Hey, Pablo, what I trying to say?
The money don't die for Aza.
When you drop this afternoon, I wait they tell me say.
Pablo, don't call on me.
Hey! Hello, Pablo, you cut my call. No. I go give the man your number, make him follow you talk.
No wala.
Yes, funny bros going with all this Ghana money. How now? What?
Hello? You hear me?
God have mercy upon us.
Hello?
Who they talk?
Now the person wey Maga drop money now, where you say money don't die for Aza. I don't dey call you say.
Hey!
You are right before the person, like you are right in front of the guy. You said you want to die.
No, I don't know. Say we don't play. They do this. Who? Bank play food, not be me for them. Now international.
For this house, now you start Yahoo. The same Yahoo why I start whatever people wants. Today one pick, you tell me say my money don't die for Aza. Money what I want use in the house.
Tell me
No, you know, see, normal I know they collect Kuwait Aza. I know
the money why die for Kuwait. I don't go rest until you are late.
Funny bros actually in a very big mess. I swear, he needs prayer and right now as we speak. Can someone go and reach out to him for him, man?
No worry. Come enter now. We the lose. Come enter now. We the lose. Now we enter. Now we the lose. Go.
This ball went far away. Let's be back together.
Waiting be this. Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Oh my God! Yes, it's hilarious, man. So hilarious. Let's see this one. We still. I think this one will make you laugh. You will see how it goes. This girl really did a very bad thing.
That was fast.
Yes, we are fast and reliable.
I don't usually send handsome and muscular guys like you.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what? Just communicate.
I'm sorry, our policy does not allow us to go inside with the customer. Just give me my 10,500 and I'll be on my way, man.
What did you say?
Our policy does not.
You talk too much for a man. Just come in.
Our policy.
Don't worry about your policy.
Can't say anything now.
Calm down now. And how much is the money, by the way?
It's just 10,500.
Ha, 10,500. It's too expensive. I don't have that money.
Madam, see, if you don't have the money, I will have to go with the pizza.
Handsome boy. I'm craving it now. If I get like me craving pizza and I cannot have it, it's not nice now. Oh, I thought maybe it's like 2,000 or 3,000.
Shame, but
I can pay in kind, Sha.
Okay. Don't fall for it.
You bad.
Boy.
Oh, madam, I'm not that kind of a person. I'm not someone like this, but I pity you.
Thank you.
I see that you are a damsel in distress.
Thank you.
This thing will not happen again, just this one time.
Once, yes.
No, Allah, let's do it.
Wait, who would you tell them at work?
Don't worry about that one. I know what to tell them.
Then hold on. I don't want to put you in trouble. You can just carry the pizza.
Put me in trouble. I love trouble. I crave trouble the way you are craving this pizza. Put me in trouble, please.
What are you going to tell them now?
You are bothered about what I will tell them at work.
No.
What?
I
will stab myself here. Yes, and I will tell them.
I'll say you want trouble.
Delivery, sir.
So, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You passed the test and you can now start delivering pizza. So there is one more test that everyone fails. Hope you won't fail it.
Fake it. Sir, I'm not everyone who. No failure in my DNA, sir. Never. Big.
Idiot. My dear. Don't worry, I'll send you your balance.
You're the strong man.
Alright, sir.
Okay. You. Go. First of all, off my uniform.
Okay, it was a mistake, I swear.
Okay, this one is a mistake.
Yes.
The pizza where you chop finish before you reach here. Now waiting. Everybody has been failing this test, but you see you be ex-convict. Save my pocket up from here. My uniform.
So there is no pizza at all in that pack. That guy is crazy. You want to knock for free.
Stop this radical fight. Stop this Jesus. Oh my goodness.
This pastor is so troublesome.
And Sister Cynthia. What am I doing here? Son, the Oshiwe you do with this. This is the Oriburuku when they do for ministry choir master. You tell us say you know well. You don't come for choir rehearsal. You don't come for service at all. You know you are the person who lead praise and worship. Brother Michael and Sister Patience, they are leading off key. You dare hear they sit down in a satanic vineyard. I tell you say they are not well now. You tell me say you know where. Malaria they do you. So this is Kulia or General Hospital where they take treatment. Brother Mike, choir master, is this how you want to perish in this ministry? Not under my watch. I'm not a normal man of God. I told you, you even get money, they buy perishable items, you and this girl. And you have not updated your tithe since January. See, let me tell you, as you see me so for this ministry, I not to tolerate you. You are a laborer in the vineyard. You must labor in that vineyard. Yes. Everybody they labor, not be me go labor your labor. Assistant pastor, control this guy for me. Move him before you carry him back to time. Come and sit down on this heavenly chariot. Sit down on this heavenly chariot. Sit down. You can follow us or you don't.
What about the girl?
My friend, come and sit down.
And then you
are in a satanic vineyard. Imagine. Sit down here, Sister Cynthia. Oh my, if you move this back before me, you go perish. Assistant pastor, let's move. Move.
Suspect operation. We are reading our members as well, reading them to Christ.
Daddy, I took first again.
Only you did this class.
No, it's my class today.
What's going on here?
No stand. It's stand. I see no stand. You never see anything. You just start.
Today now off. I day off. We cannot go die.
Daddy, I took first.
Let's have it.
That's my son. Hello, Daddy, I took first. I know already now. Start coming home. So many.
It's not job. They're actually thinking that the
not teacher for this class.
Actually.
Now me, who they disturb our game now?
Jesus.
I thought they are 100 students in this class.
Yes, now 50 don't drop out. The many cats we pay school fees, they can't collect them back. At least 21 just say they give them first, so they know who go.
I want to see your principal. I'm gonna get my money.
Who define me?
Hey! Yeah! I don't want peace.
Find X.
I want desire!
Hey! 6. Correct.
Voila.
Very good.
Promotion to SS3.
Sense no complete again. I beg.
Principal. Sir?
You know, let me right?
Can't see something.
Okay, give my money now. I go give you now. Make you share them now.
You always taking
Now I carry my money around there. Me, not be
you don't
follow
want
woman.
people to
Why they do that? Because of 1,000 they follow me the shout. Bros, I bet no verse. Get like I don't run.
Giving a madman to say
Why mature people like una go dey shout for this hot afternoon now? No, why now, mo? They give us 1,000 make we shout. They follow me they shout. 1,000. I beg una take. Una come out. Take your own. I don't trust you. Bros, I beg thank you.
Declined.
Bros, wait for waiting. You get to ask.
Wait.
Bros, come explain.
If you don't
You
get
just
it,
changed money for us, and we thought you were blind. All of a sudden, then we had to look back, and you're not blind. Guy, you go give us back our money, and all the money you have made so far, we'll collect it because you are scamming people with blindness. Let's see this one was famous. This one's gonna this is actually gonna off you guys. Like, it's funny though. This guy is doing his best to make sure it gets people laughing. Who took it away? Ah. Huh?
What? Babe!
What's going on?
It's your friend. The way he's looking at me is as if he wants to sleep with me.
Huh?
Bro, you want to sleep my babe? I want to sleep your babe. Oga, where are my groceries? They stop my kitten just now. Where are they?
After 4 hours, my babe and I want to recharge, so we used it.
After knocking your babe, you use my groceries to recharge.
Yes, bro.
Your babe, wait there for give me babe. If I close my eyes and open it, you have replaced my groceries. Stand down.
You never see
Who
anything.
bought the card?
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of
It's my time to shine. Leave me. Calm down. Let me go and give her 2 rounds. After that, I'll show that groceries.
You want to go and give her 2 rounds?
Exactly.
So you give my groceries.
Calm down. You're shouting.
Don't be this boy.
There's breeze at the balcony. Go there and rest.
Yeah. I should wait for you at the balcony.
Yes, there's breeze there.
You at the balcony.
Yes, exactly.
How did they get there? Like, how did they get there? How come you went there with him? And then I start strong. You left him and later dive him. Why now? Why is this wicked? Let's see Lord Lambert this one.
What? Babe, where's the burger you promised me?
When I have money, I'll buy it for you.
Babe, you said that last week. You got me my coach.
I said when I have money, I'll buy it for you.
Oh my god, okay.
Please, help me boil water for me. I want to drink tea.
Whatever.
Many kilometers.
Babe, how long did you set the water to boil for?
60 seconds?
Why 60 seconds?
That's how long you last in bed.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Hours last in bed. You mean Lord Lambert lasts 60 seconds in bed?
Babe.
What?
Why are you always on the game?
Why are you always on makeup?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Why?
Finish her.
To escape reality.
You think you can jubilate me? You think you can make me angry?
2,000 viewers of one expert with champion season offer. Register my promo code LamberBet. You get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Place bet on the final leg of Champions League, which is Dortmund versus Madrid. Win super prize of $5,000 cash.
You think you can humiliate me? How you go 1,060 seconds at the last, and I make you one boil water for 60 seconds. So I will also strategize the way to make you angry.
The arm of the law. Can you see? See, this is why you must watch news. It's not everywhere your friends say you go that you must go. I hope you are seeing now. You are taking example from this.
Mothers. Mothers will just be in the parlor with you watching film, and you want them to watch the film from beginning to end. They will just sleep on the way. Like, so angry.
What?
And they will say they are not sleeping. Try to make them that kind of sleep don't go far. They have slept very far. You need to do all sort of things, they will not wake. But there's one thing you do that will make them wake. Go collect remote for their hand. Try it.
You think it's a joke?
Even knock. This one too much now. Which mother will not wake up after doing all this? Which mother will not wake up? Tell me.
You just want to chill, but problem will find you come for where chilling spot.
Try it. You can't.
No, I'm not sleeping. No, I'm watching.
A lot of things has been done behind you. You said you are not sleeping. That is mother for you. That is mother for you. That remote, they will not let you collect it. So they say they are not sleeping.
Good afternoon.
Let's see skit, Jerry.
Why are you mobbing by this time? Must mob the place now. This person you carry will be like person I know.
This is playing.
If you heard that kind of thing concern you. Mama Ejime. No, Mama Ejime is. My friend, are you alright? Are you alright? Me. I'm asking you, are you alright?
God have mercy upon us.
Oh my God! What's wrong with this guy? Excuse me. Hello?
Take it easy now.
My friend, are you okay? Sorry, I'm not shout for me. You dey guess so. Not shout for me. Since they say you don't want to use your head, not shout for me. Now you supposed to. I give you signal just now. Say this person I know am na Mama Ejime. As a responsible man, you go ask me say where I tell no one.
What?
You don't born. Are you married?
Is this person normal?
You know that they behave. Some of you na wey be woman. You know that they behave. You be bad person. Do you know him? You are a bad person.
I've never seen this lunatic before.
Your papa na be lunatic. This man. Excuse me.
Are you mad?
Don't say that. Don't say it. This person wey dey see so, the compound where they stay. This woman wey dey see so, me and her husband na best friend. Now I dey tell you now, the man will shop for them now. I dey lie.
Yeah, you're mad.
I dey mad, abi?
Yes.
No problem. Make I go call her husband.
Obviously
No
mad.
problem. I dey go call your husband.
My husband.
No problem. You are a very bad woman. No problem.
Are you sure? Wait.
Where are you going?
You want to go call my
Where are you
husband?
going?
What is this one saying?
Come and sit down. Don't
No,
mind
Chief,
me.
wait, because
I'll go
I
and report him
know.
to his manager.
No, Chief,
She's
this how
guilty
someone
now.
just
She
wake
want
up
to
and
learn.
want to tarnish my
She
image.
want
Just
to
wait.
learn.
Well, leave
Wait,
that-
I'll
leave
be
that-
back,
leave that
Chief.
people.
Wait, I'm coming. You
Now
say
go
you won't
in,
go
go
call
in
my
now.
husband.
You cannot even use your sense to know that this girl is actually married.
Come back, go return your money from the back. Get your money. Are you okay? My management said they don't want all this kind of settings. Come outside, come outside. What's your problem? This man come outside. I go mob your face. So what is up now? You carry person wife come place. I didn't even try to tell you, say this person you carry cause on a person wife. As a man, you just must understand. You want to go use the place, they carry. Okay.
In life, no matter what you do not fall in the trap of SK. You tire for yourself. I swear. Let's see Ruki Folly and his babe in the museum. Let's see what they are up to here.
Babe, this monkey, he look exactly like you.
Oh,
This boy, just look at his nose now. He look exactly just like you.
But you can't bring all those kind of talk, they come.
Babe, what now?
Because then you can look monkey, so now make they say your head look like monkey. Which kind of nonsense talk be that one?
Oh yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
Or this thing that make me not they like to they follow you, they walk out. Because they not they follow now they laugh to so now not go they insult person. Have your
I'm
mates?
sorry now. I'm sorry. I did not make
Your power look like monkey. You not see how to call. They say now they look like monkey.
Babe, it hasn't gotten to the extent of insulting my father now.
I mean fit to insult now. Tell me how you call look monkey. They say
I just said I'm sorry.
You find pass me where?
Why you say you are sorry?
I just said I'm sorry.
Come the ask me, you come pack your things.
It hasn't gotten to that, babe.
You know the kind of boyfriend you have.
Alright guys, place a bet on Maybet using my promo code OKIFUNNY on a capital letter and get 200% bonus on your first deposit. And once you register with my promo code, you'll be added to my surest, my closest focus channel for you to be winning all your games. You know, understand? So don't sleep on it, guys. Go run it up.
What nonsense! I don't see you this
We will not even bother to come back. What's your own country here? Is this our even house? Oh, wait, you think I don't know? You think I don't know you've been asking my woman out? She did not agree for you. That's why you're acting like this. This is just a redirected bad energy. You think I did not know? She told me.
She did not agree for me. Yes. I only step back because of her body odor.
Jesus. I like it like that. I love her body odor. In fact, I like her body odor.
Why would you love her body odor? When your own is times 2 worse than her own. You people have to leave this house before now kill me with odor. Odors.
What is odors? Odors. Oh, what a good girl. You wanted to pay. Wow.
In life, just get yourself a woman that can apply lip gloss.
I thought she wanted to pay.
What? You get my wild Kesha. You know Sabi knock.
I'm sorry, man.
What's happened?
My petrol finished, my gas finished. I need matches to light them up.
Okay.
Please, he's over there. Can I go get it? I'm so sorry. Just buy that person house.
Are you okay?
I disable matches.
I'm so sorry, sir. I misleaded my legs.
This one no be half cast though.
So much is for there.
She's in our play.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
She's not an half cast.
I didn't see you before, but I don't see her now. No verse.
Wait till they want to
wipe our pillow.
But I saw the matches now.
Oh my god, what kind of Alabino is that? That one like that now. How can you be chasing someone? Who is this comedian? Hey, Makosi, are you really serious? You even run faster than a bike. Wow, what a great talent.
Hey!
Sorry. Don't cry.
After all this drink, everything. Oh, no. I take that.
The chicken, they don't cut the leg again. When the other guy be the work forever, I come like this before I see eggs. So.
You know, say they don't hold now. Once they don't lay.
Always in the farm.
Where the ones where they lay now?
They're not many, na very small one. They're not many.
Where you keep them?
I think that's right.
I said the ones where they lay, so the few ones where they lay, so where you keep them now?
No, say you know the free reach this side. Now I just stay the sustain this period.
Sustain? What did you say?
The sustain.
I just keep shop. You know, so I tell you say they're not many now, and I just
boss, I they pay you now, and as I they pay you, so normally anything we come for the post, you get me, so you go to report to me first now.
Baby, egg when you come up for you, you know reach 5. I don't know why you are complaining too much.
Have mercy.
Who don't know one egg normally before? Who are they paid? Before I go, they consume my things. You go first tell me first now.
Are you not my boyfriend? Or don't my dad don't have any right?
Now relationship now open the bottle. Now I love you. Now open the bottle. Maybe they mind your motto. They never try to tell you. What's I beg, eh? Before you go to use anything for the poultry, I beg. Maybe first they tell me first, I beg, eh?
No problem.
Yeah, because now business, I dey pay you for this place. So anything where I say you dey, before you go to collect anything for you go to tell me first. And the rabbits that be this now.
Yes.
You don't feed them.
Yes, man. I don't feed them.
You give them food this morning, eh?
Yes.
Now 4 rabbits got day on. Now 5 yesterday now.
My lord, now 5. As your wife's sisters they come, they see the fine one, they say they like her well. Now I say make they carry that one, make they take go play for us.
May they carry the rabbit take go play for us?
Yeah, they say they
somebody's
like
rabbit.
Boss, the rabbit now for business. Now which one you say you
got only one rabbit? Ah, your talk is too much.
Also, you know if you work for here again, you go remove your uniform.
Meaning?
Also, remove your uniform. If I leave the portrait for you, the portrait not go work. No, also the portrait not go work if you do your hand.
Hey, but daddy, stay here. Which one is which kind of something is that?
Me, I'll pass there.
Stay, we are here now.
Also, I better remove your uniform. Don't worry, eh? If you want to go, I'll give you. Your class!
So why you trying to betray for Smith? Sir, calm down.
Let me calm down. What's that rubbish done?
That is the way.
Shut up!
I don't know. Why you pushing the children? Because they've not paid their school fees for 1 year.
Because school fees?
Yes. How much did the money? Just 1.5. Just 1.5 only.
I'm not billing on this school. I'm in a bill. 1, 2, 1.5. Let me take everything.
No, sir. I need 1.5 million.
Jesus!
This stingy guy will not pay. Very stingy will not pay. Why are you looking at them like criminal?
Let me go here, you go me. What daddy?
Jesus!
Let's tell me. I feel so excited by Papa. Nothing. Bros, take.
1, 2.
Take. No, you're fine. I want one.
I am not your daddy. You guys should go and sort yourself. Go and sort yourself. Don't come to me. I have no responsibility for you people. I'm very stingy. Let's see, Ben 10 on this one, and this one's actually going to make you laugh.
Oh, wait. Babe, you're going to pay for my transport though.
No problem, let's go.
Voila, today I must knock the hungry me. Nothing you want tell me.
What is up? I beg you, fear me. I think God beg you. I love you. Oh, Simon, I beg, I need your help.
Wait.
I know the last for bed. She fear me knock my baby.
Jesus Christ. What she gonna know now?
No worry about that. She just the 5 person who will satisfy her.
Hey!
Knock for free?
Hey, bro. Let that go now.
No worry, I don't see shy boy.
God.
What I don't hear with you, everyone can do. What kind of wahala? This guy will do you take it.
Hey, baby. Oh, man, this senior man, baby. Oh, more fun and small thing. Blast, I get 100 naira for you.
Now 100 naira, you won't give person with it like this.
Baba, now wait till they man be that now.
Please give him like 1,000.
Senior man. Oh, God. Now God go bless you. You see this thing where you do for me, this love where you show me, your fellow man go show you, Baba.
Oh, no be Dave and don't you be? Baby.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Baby. Crazy boy, you see 1,000, you change your tune. Wait, let's see this guy, the playboy and Ebenezer.
Playboy, oh day. Alpha. About deal.
What you did now?
I want my guy's side.
He come out, my babe don't cook.
Your babe cook.
Yes, nah.
Marry.
You too like food!
What kind of nonsense is this now?
Are you a crazy person? Try to do whenever you cheat on me, I will kill you.
Mama won't cheat on you now, eh? Why you poison my food?
I poisoned your food because I thought you were cheating on me. And that's to let you know that whenever you cheat on me, that is what's going to happen.
You want to kill me, Abby?
I don't care.
I won't call my friend to come and join me. So if you know that, you kill two of us.
I don't care. You and your friend can die.
Yeah! No, my friend can die.
Yes.
You kill me, my friend.
I don't care. I will kill you both of you.
I'm not cheating on you.
Hey, sometimes don't go and eat to where they are quarrel. If you know your guy, girlfriend, and him they quarrel, don't go they chop them, they don't go poison you. They don't use castor. Voila, let's see. Rap the comedian on this. I bet you laugh like crazy. Instead for you to do something like go straight,
hey, must be what's up?
Take the box.
Yeah.
Like
What said the money reach 2 million? 2.5 million.
You went there to sleep.
Yeah, that's
Take the bag and go away.
You know close door now. Oh, help me shut it down.
Are you shut down?
Jesus!
There is no how you see that money at school because when they get home, they will be the one to like go and open that trunk and see them and give you dirty blow.
Chief! I hear the good news. I hear see your brother Pikin come for UK. You just the chop the goodies and the pounds.
Oh, no, before my brother Pikin, and then you find me come here.
I hear the news now, Chief. Now say man come collect my own no Chief. So you know the same way they try.
The boy not make am. Me not make am. Me I get they make am. So now they want me a bit.
Maybe that.
Now they make am. Not make am.
They don't make am at all. It's making about. Who don't make
You know
am?
even Sabi make a buy what make up for the UK. Come on, man, now.
Uncle, where you see these people from? Where you get them from? We don't see this kind of people in the UK. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Uncle, fuck you too, bro. Shit. Fuck you. I'm going back to the UK.
You don't sign up for work. Now to come solo. Now whether the boy go learn, so you not see the iron for him. Now whether come solo.
Oh my god, I think this one is hilarious and I believe you guys actually enjoy this. You can't tell me you didn't enjoy this comedy and you can't tell me you didn't laugh. Like there was a point where I was watching, I said to myself, I'm not going to laugh at all. I am not going to laugh. I just want to keep mute till the end, but I couldn't resist it, like, because the comedy was so funny. So I found myself laughing. You see, said it in top. Oh my god. All right, guys, thanks for watching this comedy video. Please, if you just come down here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe after watching this comedy video, and also don't forget to leave without giving it a like and also sharing this video to all your social media platforms. There is a little way for you to support us, for making you laugh, So we'll be doing some review concerning this comedy video, and I know you guys, a lot of you guys watch this comedy video and really do not get some kind of parts, like you don't really get what they did there, like what they were trying to interpret in that part. So in this review, I mean, we're going to be like deliberating on it. So first of all, I think one of my favorite moments and one of my like key moments, the moment I actually love in this video, is the part of Nastyblaq. Nastyblaq is a good comedian, and he's not just coming on screen for the first time. He has been on screen for a very long time. Nastyblaq, Sydney Tucker, and a lot of them, so many of them out there, it has been long they started this comedy business. So let's go straight to the point. I thought Nastyblaq is actually going to behave like a responsible man, since that day was the day he's getting married to his beautiful girl, But the bride's friends actually trying to, seduce Nastyblaq. And I just concluded that Nastyblaq will never fall for it, because Nastyblaq's girlfriend actually is also beautiful, so there is no need for him to fall for all this cheap, seduction, all this kind of thing. At the end of the day, I was shocked to see Nastyblaq like going to the bedroom, and I thought maybe he was just going to like, oh, what's going on? Why this girl want to seduce me? Or for her, she is the friend of my lover, all this kind of thing. But I was shocked to see him, boom, 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 boom. Heavy hair was just coming down from where we don't know where the hair is coming down from. Oh my god! And there was something on his mouth, like there was something in his mouth, like I don't really know what was that. So please, guys, help me explain wetin be that thing. Maybe say oh format. I don't really know that thing, but I know say in dey shave and hair. So I don't really know that thing. But that's like it's kind of funny actually, and I think that moment I actually laughed the hell. I actually laughed a hell. I laughed to number nonsense. And Funny Bros number 2 is here. Funny Bros actually did marvelous thing here in this comedy. Though still on Azaman's character, he actually played the role well with a different formation, with a different update, different script, different storyline, honestly. And I didn't see it coming, actually. the person who you said his money died in your hazard, all this kind of thing. Like you were calling the person and automatically the person was picking the call right before you. You didn't even know. But at the end of the day, brother gone and whoop, 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 whoop. The guy no really get joy. Yeah. Somebody maybe say no, they collect since. Me never see money since. He can't dey pray to God, they pray, go church, go mosque, go babalawo. Finally, you can't see money. You can't go tell and say money die for where? Azabi Asaba. See, gun go rain. Like the guy was like, he doesn't even want him to talk at all. He doesn't want Funny Bros to explain anything. And they wrote pray for Pablo. I think that guy didn't end it there. He didn't end it there. I think after that, he will go to Funny Bros house to look for him with much trouble. It will result to a serious wahala. Funny Bros will not be in town. No be one Biaza man. They were giving him instructions. It was like, I don't want to hear. Let's do business sharp sharp. And the whole thing landed him in a very big trouble. You see. So I love that comedy as well. It's actually hilarious also, and I still like this. My number one, I like it. That number one, that guy actually did very crazy thing. You as a doctor, because somebody say he cannot bear the pain alone, all this kind of thing. I wish he can go and meet the one that he lost in the other world. You just put something in his drink and you gave her something to drink because you want her to join the other person that couldn't make it, in the theater. Ha! Now wow. And at the end of the day, the girl actually said something, you cannot eat your cake and have it. Have you seen anyone that actually ate their cake and have it? And this guy proved to her that I can eat my cake and still have it. Like he did practical, he literally did it, honestly. Like um um he put the cake in his mouth and collect it like I've eaten my cake and I still have it. I've eaten my cake and I still have it. Thank you guys for watching once again. I think I'm done. There are other lot of funny scene on this comedy video. So if you notice anyone, you can actually put it in the comment down in the comment box below. Let us see your own funny scene in the comedy videos. Alright guys, without further ado, let me quickly leave you guys to watch and also leave you guys to rest and enjoy the rest of your day. Alright guys, have a wonderful time. I'm rolling out. Peace out.